Good morning, guys. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Veronica. So for today's video, I needed to go grocery shopping and I needed to clean out this disgusting refrigerator. So I figured I'll show you guys a before and after. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and let's go ahead and get started with the video.
Follow no wind, getting deeper in the frame. I see your face, I feel the pain, but you chose the path I follow. I'm in love with the way that you hold me when I fall back down, and I'm in love with the words from your voice that put me off the ground now. Love's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running. I'm so fed up of the lies that my heart believed in, but staring deep into your eyes makes it all forgiven. I feel my comfort will be blown, my fears will grow out of control. Yeah, you still walk the path I follow. Put me off the ground now. This love's been a long time coming. My breath slows but my heart keeps running.
I put all my smoothies and acai stuff all in here, and then I put all my like rice and vegetables and extra waffles up here, then the ice up here. These are like Emma's little Uncrustables, bread that my mother-in-law made us, the Lunchable things, and another pair of veggies here. These are the taquitos. I took them out of the box, that way it's not too crowded, and I put them in a bag. I took these out of the box as well, the waffles, that way they're easier stacked. I took out the chicken out of the thing it comes with, and I stacked them 2 separate bags, that way I can take them out and make meals. And then I put the ground turkey right here, and that is how it looks. Way better for sure. On to cleaning this disgusting area.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone,
Alright, so this side is all done, and now we have to hit on this side. Yeah.
heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
I have to do all these. I'm gonna wash these and then I'll show you guys how I put them back in there and how it looks like after that's washed.
Breathe you in like oxygen. Oh, in an otherwise suffocating world, I'm reaching out for arms, I'm drowning in the open-ended love we're making, girl. Exhale the past, inhale a future that lasts. Change my heart, change my mind. For the last time, wanna believe in the life I've led. I don't wanna leave another word unsaid. You know my heart will follow you tomorrow.
So this is the end result. We have the eggs here, the miscellaneous stuff like for the bagels, the little arroz con leche. And here I just put all the tunas, ham, bacon, and the cheese. Down here on this little organizer thing that I got from TJ Maxx, I actually just put all the creamers, the coffee at the end. And over here is just the miscellaneous like vegetables and fruit that I have. And here I have mushrooms for Anthony, the pico de gallo, cream, cottage cheese, and some yogurt. And then the juices that I drink, plus Anthony's Gatorade. And here we have extra cheese and the salads. Right here we have our vegetables that I can't even close because it's so full. And then just the fruit, miscellaneous fruit. Now on this little side here, we have the butter. Then we have, you know, the stuff for the bread, cheese, sauces that we need, and just the milk, extra coffee, water, and juice. And that is it, guys. That is how it looks now. And I really like these right here. I'm actually thinking about getting 2 more to fit in here, 2 little ones. That way I can fit the juices in here and extra stuff, and then possibly getting a couple more down here just because we have such a small fridge. Those little organizers actually do work pretty good. So I'm actually thinking about obtaining more of those from TJ Maxx, and they're pretty inexpensive. They're like $2-3. Sometimes it goes up to $6, but these little ones I think are $3.99 is what it cost me. The other ones were a little bit more expensive, but you can get them at Ross and they're not that expensive, guys. Honestly, it is worth it. But that is it. Thank you for watching.